Hello! Let's make a beautiful flower Kindle sleeve. For this project, I'll be using my cotton yarn in these colors plus a light pink and my 3.5mm hook. To start this project, you will need to make 2 panels. They are formed by chaining 30 and then single crocheting in 29 chains for 43 rows. To make the flowers we'll attach on top, you start by chaining 2 and then single crochet 8 times in the first chain. Go through the first stitch, pull on your working yarn, and then switch colors. And chain 3. In this first stitch, work a double crochet. In the next stitch, work a double crochet and chain 3, slip stitch this in the same stitch where you did the double crochet. And this is the beginning of one of the petals. Slip stitch into the next stitch, chain 3, work a double crochet in the same stitch, then another double crochet in the next stitch, chain 3, and slip stitch in the same spot. And then you repeat this petal 2 more times. To finish this row, just make another slip stitch here in the stitch where you began, and then we'll continue with the next row. Chain 3 and we'll work in the 2 double crochets. So double crochet 3 times in the first double crochet, so 1, 2, 3, then chain 2 and 3 double crochet in the next double crochet, chain 3, and slip stitch into the stitch between the petals. And this is one full petal. You need to work this 3 more times. After you do the last slip stitch, you fasten off the yarn and then the last step is to single crochet these sides together. And this is how the Kindle sleeve looks.